ang daming tira ng Signal HD na nalinis ito si Lenlen Cortel. Excellent digs. Just, you know, making it slow enough para do sa kanyang setter to set it cleanly.
Yes.
Para kina Royce Tubino, para kina Danica Gendrauli and the other attackers ng main and tail.
That's right. And you know, yung si Cortel nga, ang target niya is the head of the setter para hindi nagagalaw ang setter sa pwesto niya. And she really did a good job.
Makibalita muna tayo sa courtside with Apple David.
James and Chicky, anticipated na ng Lady Stallions ang pagbawi ng HD Spikers dito sa third set. Kaya naman ang reminder ni Coach, walang magbababa ng laro at ng energy. Sabi nga ni Coach, kayang-kaya nyo to at ni isang beses hindi ko kayo pinagdudahan. But what you have to do is to keep working hard. Tibayan nga daw nilang kanilang blocking dahil doon nakakapuntos itong Signal. James?
Maraming salamat, Apple David. Of course, blocking is such an integral part of the game dito sa laro ng volleyball. You see that in college,
Yes.
in De La Salle University. That's a staple
Yes.
of their game. So when you can protect your net, your floor defense doesn't have to work that hard. Here's Tikar. Bibigyan si Mela Tunay. And that one down the line.
And that was a good hit by Mela Tunay. Ang lakas ng ball niya, it was fast and it was strong. Look at this.
Parang college lang, oh.
Oh.
Tumo-throwback ito si Mela Tunay at si Lenlen Cortel.
Hindi ko nga napansin kung saan lumusot yung bola, kung in between the arms ba of Mabayad sa sobrang bilis.
Here's Lourdes Clemente with a service. Easy over para sa Signal. Dawson couldn't score that time. Vivas. And Tikar just giving up a chance ball. Tingnan natin ang gagawin ng main and tail. What a tip para dito kay Danica Gendrauli.
Si Gendrauli is a thinking player. She saw na merong nakabantay dun sa zone 1 kung lalakasan niya ang palo niya. So she targeted zone 6. Nag-off-speed hit siya.
Lilet Mabayad on deck to serve. Panaga, the hammer. Unfortunately, does not go.
Yeah, that ball rolled on the net and it rolled outside the side of main and tail. Pero nakita mo yung effort niya, no? Meron pa siyang nung tinira niya yung bola.
3 serving 1. Rica Enclona now in at libero para sa Signal HD. Cleans up that one for the setup, the windup, and the finish para kay Jeanette Panaga.
Sabi nga ni Tikar, oh, one more time. Let's do it right this time. And they did.
Mela Tunay on deck to serve. Argarin to Abby Praca.
Ito, ang ganda nung ano na naman ni Cortel. First ball ni Cortel. You can't have a good set like that if you don't have a good first ball. It's right on her head.
Papunta na sa
Target.
setter.
Yes.
Kaya kailangan gawin ng setter is just set it up for this ultra-fast spike. Brought to you by PLDT Home Altera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Tikar pupunta kay Panaga. Another hit.
Panaga is the main man right now for Signal. Kaya naman talagang sa kanyang binibigay ni Tikar ang mga bola dahil mainit siya ngayon.
And why not go to your high percentage scorer for the game?
Correct.
Keep feeding the hot hand. And Signal HD looking to rectify this situation. They're down by 1. Gendrauli lefty shot and Clona spectacular save. Vivas naman down the line. Unfortunately, referee says it's out.
Wow, that would have been a really good play for Vivas, but unfortunately, ipasok lang niya. Konti lang siguro, an inch or 2 lang pakanan yung palo.
Danica Gendrauli, easy over on the serve. Uy, buti nagawa ng paraan ni Tikar. And that one is good. Ipinunas lang. They wipe it off the blocker.
At nagawan din ng paraan ni Vivas yon. So she just played on the block at nag-outside yung bola. Score for Signal.
Argarin to Royce Tubino. Puts it down.
Royce Tubino hitting in between the players of Zone 1 and 5. As we look at this replay, at the peak, she jumps, she hits that ball, at doon, nasa gitna ni Mela Tunay at ni Panaga, bumagsak kang bola.
6 serving 4. Clemente tried to tip it over, but no go. Tubino with a hammer. but too strong.
Honey Royce Tubino with her favorite cross-court hit move. It was just too wide.
Momay Vivas and the rest of Signal HD looking to equalize. 5 serving 6. Dito sa set number 3. Cortel again para kay Argarin. Tubino, but Enclona with the save. Mela Tunay over the defense, but good coverage. Chance para sa Signal HD. Tunay winds it up and puts it down.
Talaga namang Tunay is back today with really beautiful hits. Look at this. Wow, what a hit. You have there. It went in, but this time I saw it. It went in between the hands of Lilet Mabayad. Ang bilis ng kamay ni Tunay, ang bilis ng bola niya. Ganda tingnan.
Tabla tayo, 6-all dito sa set number 3. Unfortunately, another error para dito sa Signal HD. Ganun yung storya dito sa nakaraang dalawang set. Kaya naman nila mag-mount ng rally eh. Pero pag nag-error sila, doon naman nagra-rally din itong main and tail, kaya sila nakakalamang.
Oo nga eh, kaya kailangan protektahan ng Signal ang momentum na nakuha na nila.
And those errors just shooting themselves in the foot, tulad na lang. Ito service error on the part of Royce Tubino. It looks like a different main and tail team. Medyo nagpapile up na rin yung errors para sa kanilang koponan.
Oh, kaya nga sabi ni Coach Mai, huwag mag-relax, keep the level high.
Ayan, Tekar on deck to serve. Mabayad tried to attack pero masyado malakas. And Signal with a 1-point advantage heading into the first technical timeout, 8-7 here in set number 3. Hopefully you're happy as well on this Superliga Sunday. I know Chicky Pablo and I are very happy because this is a very competitive ball game. Dikit na naman. 8-7 sa set number 3 as they look at Main and Tail looking to get the game back with that score.
Bumawi agad ang Main and Tail after the technical timeout with Dawson's hit. So let's see kung patuloy nilang maaalagaan ng momentum na nanakaw nila from Signal.
And you covered this game nung unang laro nitong Main and Tail against Shapinas. How different is Main and Tail playing now?
Very, very different because at that time talagang ang bagal ng pace nila. Halos walang nagsasalita sa court. But look at this. They easily, well, not really that easy, but they got the first 2 sets from Signal. Talagang ibang-iba. Pinag-practicean talaga nila yung reception, pinag-practicean nila yung communication in the court, and we could see it being executed well in this game.
Uy, nakakita yung service doon ni Arian Argarin. So, puntos babalik dito sa Signal HD.
Ang daming times na tayong nagtatay, no, ng score. Interesting game.
Uy! What a serve! Parang Lourdes Clemente.
Ang sabi kasi ni Honey Royce kay Dawson, kunin mo na! Kailang akala ni Honey Royce, siguro ang akala ni Dawson, mine ang sabi ni Tubino. Kaya hindi siya gumalaw. Miscommunication there.
10 serving 9. 1-point advantage para sa Signal. But this time, Cortel takes care of it for Lilet Mabayad, who couldn't score that time. Mabayad with a hammer.
Alam mo kasi, yung set doon ni Segodine medyo nabigay na regalo para sa Main and Tail. And syempre, pag regalo dito sa PSL, talaga namang tinatanggap.
Well, syempre naman, di tayo tumatanggi sa grasya.
Yes.
It should be your motto in life. Here's Vivas, receiving that one well. Tekar to Panaga. Unfortunately, hindi nakakayanin ng Main and Tail.
Itong si Panaga, no, talagang makikita mo sa stance niya, makikita mo sa mukha niya. Oo, na talagang give na give siya maglaro ng volleyball. Even the way she jumps.
Really
talagang,
impressed with the athleticism
of
Jeanette Panaga.
Yeah, magandang hop.
And again, this connection of Cortel and Argarin. Cortel cleans it up for Argarin to set it up, and then their attackers to finish.
It was a good hustle by Signal. Nakita natin talaga namang they tried to make that ball stay alive, but unfortunately, the hit of Main and Tail was just too good for them that time.
Lagi natin pinag-uusapan yung connection ng setter attacker or setter middle. Paano naman yung setter libero?
Oo nga, ang setter libero, meron ding dapat na good connection dyan because Cortel and whoever the libero is, Eglona, kailangan talaga ang target nila ulo ng setter para hindi nagagalaw sa pwesto ang setter para madalian siyang mag-prepare ng magandang set for an attack.
Well, class is in session
Yes.
for Professor Chiqui Pablo. If Tex Suter is the volleyball evangelist, we are Professor Pablo. I always learn something new.
And we heard there, ang first option ng Signal ngayon ay si Tunay. Ang sabi nga ni Coach Sammy, kailangan itaas lang ang bola at gagawa ng paraan yan ng spikers. So let's see kung makikita natin si Tunay ngayon to get that first point after the timeout for Signal.
Samantha Dawson on deck to serve. Enclona cleans it up for Tikar. Kaso supalpal sa taas ng main and tail.
It was a good play called there by Tikar. A combination play kasi nga naman maganda naman yung first ball, so why not? Kaya lang maganda rin ang blocking ng main and tail that time.
Tikar, back row attack for Tunay but not over.
There's a double call violation there called by the referee.
Dawson back at the service line. Enclona, excellent reception. Kaso yung atake ni Panaga, hindi umibabaw sa net. And again, main and tail with the advantage, 16-11. Here in the second technical timeout. Signal, will they have one last run? They are down by 2 sets. Looking at the tournament format, itong Philippine Superliga All-Filipino Conference, again, it's a double round-robin eliminations. The top 2 advance to the semis outright. At sa quarterfinals, magtatapat yung number 3 and number 6 team and the number 4 versus number 5. The number 1 team will wait for the winner of the battles of 4 and 5, and then the number 2 team will wait for the winner of the battle of 3 and 6. As always, the Philippine Superliga fans, I'm sure you guys already know, but nice to just remind you of what will transpire in the elimination setting towards the playoffs as action continues mula dito sa San Juan Arena. Navarro, ambitious attempt. And that one is good down the line, says the referee.
Maganda rin ang talon ni Navarro. Nagustuhan niya yung set. Maganda ang arm swing niya. And you know, here, let's look at this replay. A good set there to Navarro. A great height since she's tall. We saw her arm swing. We saw the way she jumped. Talagang may buwelo. Kailangan lahat yun to have a good hit.
Tubino off the blocker, but falls down.
Akala ni Tubino mag-outside na yung bola. That's why she didn't even, di ba? Wala siyang second motion to get that ball. Kaya lang pasok na pasok
Let's send it over to Apple David.
James and Chiqui, ayaw na magpa-stress pa ni Coach Mike. Kaya naman ang pakiusap niya dito sa Lady Stallions. Layuan nyo na sila, please. Pero dagdag pa dyan, ayaw niya na may lumulusot ng mga bola. Kaya kailangan daw better coverage. Tulad na lang na hinihingi kanina ni Tubino. Coverage daw nung pumalo siya. At dagdag pa dyan, sabi ni Coach, maganda na yung panimula natin ngayon. What we have to do is to finish strong, James.
Maraming salamat, Apple. Lenlen Cortel, a half step slow. In that sequence, that's why Signal HD was able to score. Enclona protecting the floor now para sa Signal. Push shot is good para dito sa Signal HD. Kaya ni Pomoceno with that push. At tatawag ng timeout si Coach Mai Prochina.
Gamitin ang utak. You have to know where the blockers are, kung saan ang galaw ng blockers, and she was asking yung team niya, specifically the setter, na magkaroon ng plays. And you know, whenever they use the combination plays, that's when they earn the point. So let's see what they'll do this time around.
Abby Praca couldn't put the hammer down. Pagkakataon para sa Signal. Drop ball doesn't fall. Tubino, huli sa taas. Binuhay ni Praca. Binuhay ulit ni Navarro. And Jen Crowley puts that one down.
Alam mo, medyo nagkagulo dun sa defense ang signal na huli ng alis si Ancheta. That's why napagitnaan siya ni Nepomuceno and Panaga. That's why nagkahiwalay din yung blocks nila.
And Danica Gendrauli answering the call. Early on, it was her who was scoring heavily. Here's Argarin to Danica Gendrauli. And that one goes outside. Pupunta sa Signal HD. The HD Spikers down by 1, 16 serving 17. Dito sa set number 3. They are down by 2 sets kontra sa Mane and Tail. Praca, drop ball is good.
Mane and Tail, talaga namang gumagana na sila ngayon. Ulit, may coverage na sila. Look at this replay. That was a good set there from a strong spike. And a good hit there by Praca.
Back set para kay Janine Navarro. Attack not over. Point goes to Mane and Tail.
Medyo malayo yung take-off ni ni Navarro Kaya nabitin din yung kanyang talon, nabitin yung kanyang palo.
And Mane and Tail up by 3, 19 serving 16. As Navarro sits down, medyo hot and cold yung nalaro dito ni Janine Navarro.
Oo nga. Well, let's see if Vivas can make up for that mistake ni Navarro.
Ancheta tries to set up Clemente, but again, that connection could be problematic.
Yes, talagang kilalang kilala ng setter ang hitters niya. And it's kind of difficult talaga na tansyahin ang right height for Clemente because she's so tall. That's why you've got practices. You have to work together with each other whenever you practice.
A 4-point advantage now as we take a look at this ultra-fast spike. Ancheta setting it up for the wind-up in the finish. Brought to you by PLDT Home Altera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Samia Kailar imploring his girls na humabol kaso hindi makakatulong ang pagdami ng errors na Signal HD.
Alam mo, parang yun ang kwento nila ngayon. Makukuha nila yung momentum tapos magsa-service error. Sayang napuputol So if they can just take it back again, now, pagka-serve ni Arian, okay ang mangyayari sa kanila.
Vivas with a reception. Cleans it up. Tunay atake. Left-handed shot. No. But Cortel gives up a chance ball. Clemente puts it down.
Yun, ang ganda naman ng palo ni Clemente doon. Ito yung sinasabi natin They have to get the momentum back right away on their side. And they did it.
Chang Ancheta, kaya na Nepomuceno sit down. Babalik si Diane Ticar at Michelle Segodine para sa Signal HD. Signal is down 18-21 dito sa ating third set. Crucial moment here para sa Signal HD. And again, they commit a service error.
These are free points na binibigay sa kalaban. Kaya dapat talaga may 8 seconds ka dyan before you serve. Take a good look at the court, saan mo siya gustong dalhin, and then focus your energy on the ball so that it will land inside the court.
Mane and Tail within 3 of taking this set, taking this match. Segodine susubok. Argarin digs it up. Gendrauli pupunta kay Dawson. Excellent dig by Encona. Ticar sets up Mela Tunay who puts it down.
Si Mela Tunay, meron pa rin siyang konting ache and pain sa kanyang ankle, but she's really doing a good job being a fighter that she is.
She's a little favoring it, yung kanyang left ankle. But look at the warrior that Mela Tunay is.
Oh, yep.
Fighting through the pain. 19 serving 22. Another service error.
You know, they have to regroup. They have to think because nasasayang talaga ang kanilang ang momentum nila. Nasasayang yung points na pinaghirapan nila with a service error.
23 serving 19. Ticar backs it para kay Tunay. And this connection definitely works para sa Signal HD.
Alam mo, si Tunay kanina parang mangiyak-ngiyak na siya sa sakit ng ankle niya. But look at that hit. Talaga namang fighter tong si Tunay.
And in the same way that every spike, every dig, every action on the floor, dinededicate ni Mela sa kanyang late father. Praca couldn't connect that time. Seguidine sends it back. Pagkakataon para sa main and tail. Back set, Chandrauli. Seguidine saves it. Bumay Vivas, susubok. Huli sa taas. Tunay saves it. Comes out limping, but ball still alive. Argarin to Dawson. Blocked away. Cortel keeps it alive. Excellent defense para kay Cortel. And what a rally in set number 3. Panaga! Drop ball! The exclamation!
Smart move by Panaga. They were expecting her to hit that ball just like she always does. Kaya lang nakita niya, eto na ang blockers. So, i-off speed na lang niya para ma-off din ang blockers. Perfectly done. There, pababa na yung blockers at dun lang nag-over yung bola. Magandang timing.
At kita mo, lumalaban ng Signal HD. Down by only 2. Tunay, easy over. Praca, power tip, no. Seguidine para kay Panaga. Cortel keeps it alive. He's done a lot of that dito sa ating laro. Tunay with a dig of her own. Ticar para kay Seguidine. Kaso out of bounds, sabi ng referee. Bringing us to match point in set number 3.
Alam mo, ibang klase din itong si Ticar at si Seguidine because ang gusto ni Seguidine, hindi mataas ang bola and that's what Ticar is giving her. Kailang sa sobrang excitement siguro kaya siya lumabas ang bola.
Serving for the match is main and tail. Signal looking to stay alive. Panaga, no. Cortel, the dig. Argarin, Tubino for the finish.
Talaga namang we saw a different main and tail today from the first time that they appeared dito sa PSL. Noong una halos walang buhay, mabagal, walang communication. Pero ngayon talaga namang gutom sila para sa panalo and they really wanted to redeem themselves.
And the Lady Stallions are running away with it. Again, it was Cortel keeping it alive for the Argarin setup para kay Royce Tubino, their best scorer, to put the finishing touches in this game.
Yes, and Cortel, talaga namang crucial ang role niya. Talaga namang she was so effective for this team because without her first balls, you cannot have a good set and cannot have a good attack.